Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 19th, 2017. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. It was a bit of a mixed close on Friday, and actually it was a kind of a quiet close to the week for stocks, which was a little surprising considering the anticipation into that rate hike that we got earlier on. Now, the Dow Jones finished down 20 points on Friday, and you can see here, if we look closely, that it's still sitting right around that upward sloping 20-period moving average. Still looks pretty decent, though, especially on the longer time frame, so not a whole lot to worry about here. The S&P 500 was down 3 points, while the NASDAQ was flat. It was up 0.24, and the Russell finished higher by 5.5 points on Friday. Now, bonds, pretty nice gain, up 74 cents, but just making its way back towards that 20-period moving average. And gold, which was a story last week, that reversal setup that we were looking at, which was on the weekly time frame, here it is, where we moved above the moving average, then came back to retest it. And you can see here, let me zoom in for you, that we got a nice strong move back higher here last week. So the weekly setup here, the reversal setup has set up, but the trigger has not been confirmed. In other words, what we need here is follow through. We need to trade above this past week's highs to confirm that this should should continue moving higher here. Crude last week on Friday finished higher by just 57 cents or so. So what's on tap for this week coming up? Well, news-wise, Monday's pretty slow day, while Tuesday we get the Red Book report out. Wednesday we have the MBA mortgage apps number and the existing home sales number. Thursday is a little more active. We get jobless claims, new home sales, money supply, and Janet Yellen speaks, which is always interesting. And Friday, we get the durable goods orders report and the Baker Hughes rig count. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.